So pagpasok namin, nakatalikod na. I shouted, Dada Rudy! Tapos paglingon niya, ayun, nakasmile. And then, syempre, nagbeso kami, nagmano, naghug. And then sabi niya, my little girls. So yun yung tawag niya sa amin ng sister ko, si VP Sara. Little girls niya daw. So, bumalik yung pagka-humorous niya nung kaming dalawa yung nandun. So, yeah, it was a very parang cheerful visit today. Nagpapasalamat si PRRD to each and every one of you. Also, I want to relate to you my sister's VP Sara's message for you all. Ito yung tinext niya. Okay, so mga kababayan, PRRD has requested that all 4 children visit him at the same time. Veronica will be the one to give the Thanksgiving message to the supporters in Duterte Street and provide updates, as this is her scheduled turn to visit, and I am here only upon PRRD's special request that I spend time with my siblings, especially Veronica. Daghang salamat, Sara Duterte. So, yan yung mensahe niya. Syempre, I understand also that medyo hectic yung schedule niya, so she can only be there for that. But ayun, pinapaabot niya yung pasasalamat niya sa inyong lahat.